Hey, this is Steve Stine from Guitarzoom, and I am super excited to tell you about a new course that I have coming out. It's called Arpeggios Made Easy. And this thing is going to elevate your playing simply because what I tried to do is I went through in detail and broke down what arpeggios are, how you can use them in major and minor and across the fretboard and blah, 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 pentatonic, diatonic, all sorts of different things. And the one thing I want to explain to you is the misconception that people have about arpeggios. A lot of times people think that arpeggios are just for speed or, shred players and things like that. And that's not true. The beauty of an arpeggio is that an arpeggio can be used to create melody in your soloing. Okay, so for instance, if I was playing something in the key of A minor, okay, and instead of just going, and there's nothing wrong with that, that's fine. But what I could do is I could start adding in some arpeggiated ideas, which are really just broken chords. And add some really, really nice melody into the context of my playing. So there's so many things that I'm excited to tell you about, but I just wanted you to drop a little note to you saying, I got this coming out and I'm very, very excited about it. So I hope you check it out. Take care.